and surely by all your fantastic work for society, for the downtrodden, you have proven that you are a gift to the world. So give yourself a big round of applause. Now, for doing such great work, we have brought some special gifts for you tonight, as you can see on the stage. These are not regular gifts. They are special, they are very precious, and they're also magical. Magical? I've been getting some new instructions, so let me see what's happening. Some volume required for the monitor here, please. So as I was saying, these are very special gifts. In fact, they are magical gifts. They're not the usual ones which you can just unwrap and open. You have to use the magical words. And what are those magical words? You have to repeat after me. For example, give me an A. No, I don't want give me an A. I just want the A. Okay, give me an A. No, that's not good enough. Can we have the A? Give me an R. Give me a T. Yeah, we all make some spelling mistakes sometimes, yeah. Okay, give me a Y. Give me a Y. Give me an I and a D together. Give me an L. Now give me an O. No, not good enough. It has to be O. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Rotary Idol 2016. While we are about it, I'd like to introduce to you three of the compares who are going to take us through this lovely event. The gorgeous Anu Verma from Rotary Club of Bangalore. Anu is the president of Ernst & Young, the multinational bank. And then we have Musten Jiruwala from the Rotary Club of Bangalore. While he's not doing Rotary, he runs a very successful software company. And then we have, from this land of song and music, we have Dr. Chandrasekhar. We are so lucky to have him with us. Dr. Chandrasekhar. Dr. Chandrasekhar is a renowned medical practitioner and a radiologist in Goa. So over to you, compares.
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं। तुम होती तो कैसा होता, तुम ये कहती, तुम वो कहती, तुम इस बात पे हैरान होती तो उस बात पे कितनी हंसती। तुम होती तो ऐसा होता, तुम होती तो वैसा होता। मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं।
ये कहाँ आ गए हम
आंखें खुली हुई है चांदनी या तुम्हारी नजरों से मेरी रातें धुली हुई है। ये चांद है या तुम्हारा कंगन, सितारे हैं या तुम्हारा आंचल, हवा का झोंका है या तुम्हारे बदन की खुशबू है। पत्तियों की सरसराहट की तुमने चुपके से कुछ कहा है। मैं सोचता हूं कब से ये गुमसुम कि जबकि मुझको भी ये खबर है कि तुम नहीं हो, कहीं नहीं हो, मगर ये दिल है कि कह रहा है तुम नहीं हो, कहीं नहीं हो।
तू बदन है मैं हूँ साया, तू न हो तो मैं कहाँ, मुझे प्यार करने वाले तू जहाँ है मैं
Wow, Anu, thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. A very warm welcome to Rotary Idol 2016. Thank you Zareen for introducing us as the terrific trio. I think it's really a privilege and an honor to be here comparing the Rotary Idol 2016, seeing it go from strength to strength. We started the journey in 2008 and we are now a pan-India event. Really, it's like bringing all of India together. So a big round of applause for Rotary Idol 2016 India event.
Yeah, participants have come from all across our great country, from Nagaland to Rajasthan, from Haryana to Tamil Nadu. We have participants from all across. And we are going to give you a great afternoon. I mean, it was supposed to be evening, but now it is afternoon. So sit back and enjoy.
And may I introduce and bring our third MC, Mr. Chandrasekhar, who is really local here and is really going to add a lot of Goan flavor to the evening.
Yeah, when Rotarian Bata called me, he told me you need to add a Goan flavor to today's afternoon. And the first thing that came to my mind was kismur, you know. That's what adds flavor to the Goan lunch. It's a dry chutney kind of thing made of mackerel. Although I'm a vegetarian, I do love the kismur when my non-vegetarian friends order it. So I just thought of myself as, you know, that. And what do I say about this lovely place, Kala Academy? A beautiful amalgamation of art and culture, and of course, lovely nature. And this lovely auditorium where you are all seated is named after Pandit Dinanathji Mangeshkar, a great artist, singer, and the father of the Mangeshkar siblings, Lata, Asha, Meena, Usha, and Hridaynath. And one place where I would love to be a caricature in life would be in the hands of Mario Miranda. Don't you love these lovely characters looking on from the terraces? Hats off and welcome तुमकां सगळ्यांक गोंयकारांच्या वतीन काळजांतल्यान माय मोगाचो येवकार on this beautiful afternoon of Rotary Idol 2016. But friends, I would just like to say, आज फिर नींद उड़ी ये सोचकर कि सरहद पर जो खून बहा वो हमारे नींद के लिए था. I'm sure as Rotarians, we all have it in our hearts. Our hearts go out to all those millions of men and women who give up their freedom so that we can enjoy this lovely afternoon. And I'm sure we all think about them. Right,
Thank
Anu?
you. Thank you so much, Dr. Chandrasekhar. Rotary Idol is presented to you by Rotary Club of Bangalore and District 3190. Shall we get started? Are you all ready to start? Yes. Superb. We have three promising judges who are accompanying us on this journey, who are seated right here. Judges, wave your hands to the audience. Okay. And I request Anne Dorothy Bartha to come and introduce the judges.
First on my list of esteemed judges, I have Sonia Shirsat. This professor of law has won the hearts all over the world with her mahogany voice. Fado being her forte, Sonia Shirsat has till date sung in 13 languages and has been called the ambassador of Goan music to the world. Without any formal training in music or singing, she has made a mark in the music scene in her state and country and the international stage. Rated as the best fadishta in India of all time, Sonia has been singing professionally for the last 12 years and has performed in Luxembourg, Macau, Kuwait, France, Singapore, Hawaii, Nepal, Canada, London, Paris, Dubai, Muscat, Lisbon, Daman, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and of course, Goa. Among over 200 performances the world over, some of the major performances have been the World Goa Day at Toronto, Cantigas de Goa e Lisboa, Portugal, India International Arts Festival, New Delhi, JCI World Convention, Seoul, South Korea. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the Rotary Connect. Sonia is the daughter of Rotarian Dr. Sashi Shirsat and PDC Alice Shirsat of District 3170. And of course, she's been an Annette right from birth. And guess what? She joined the Inner Wheel just 2 years ago. Let's hear it. This year, sorry. Then we have Vishnu Shirodkar. Over 4,000 performances since 1994. Sri Vishnu Shirodkar has carved a niche for himself in the field of Goan music. He has performed with several senior celebrity artists such as Abhijit Sawant, Mangesh Padgaonkar, Vaishali Samant, Ajit Kadkade, Suresh Wadkar, and Sudesh Bhosle. He has also done a lot of Indo-Western fusion shows, cultural exchange programs, and Indo-Portuguese fusion concert in Portugal. For his meritorious service in the field of music for over 20 years, he has been awarded the prestigious Yuva Srujan Purashkar by the Department of Art and Culture. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Vishnu. And last, but by no means the least, from the Garden City, we have Samanvita Sharma. One of the most popular faces today in Bangalore as a sought-after singer and anchor, Samanvita has rapidly and speedily carved a niche for herself in the cultural scene of the Garden City. She is part of most noteworthy concerts in Bangalore and shared the stage with stalwarts like Anandji of Kalyanji and Anandji duo, Wahida Rehman, Sharmina Tagore, Zeenat Aman, Asha Parekh, Amin Sayani of Benaka Geetmala, and so on. She is trained in both Carnatic and Hindustani styles of classical music and is also a playback in Kannada movies like Pari, Advaita, and as a child artist in Chinnari Mutta. She also works as a music composer, traveled to the USA, Canada for performances, a trained classical dancer in Kathak and Bharatnatyam. She is an engineer who gave up her lucrative software job to pursue a career in art. Lions Club of Bangalore North and Rotary Club have presented her with Professional Excellence Awards in recognition of her contribution to the field of art. Put your hands together for Samanvita Sharma.
Thank you so much, Dorothy. The judges will be scoring the participants on 3 different criteria, that is sur, tal, and stage presence. ताल से मुझे याद आया, now सुर तो singers दे देंगे, but ताल के लिए we have the renowned band of Jairam and Company. They have traveled all the way from Bangalore to be part of Rotary Idol 2016. Okay, and can I just request everybody to switch off your mobile phone so that singers don't get disturbed. or put them onto silent mode. Okay, so let's let's.
Okay, Mustaine, Sher, let's start.
बड़ी खूबसूरत दिख रही हो, क्या बात है? इतना सीन, चांद सा चेहरा, इस पे शबाब का रंग भी गहरा। खुदा को भी वफा पे यकीन नहीं था, इसीलिए तो लगा लिए इतने सितारों का पहरा।
वाह वाह, थैंक यू सो मच, खुश कर दिया। अब मुझसे भी सुनिए कुछ। आपके इतने मिस्ड कॉल्स, क्या बात है। आपके इतने मिस्ड कॉल्स, क्या बात है। इतने सारे एसएमएस दिन रात हैं। अरे कभी फोन भी किया कीजिए, सुना है आपकी आवाज में कुछ खास बात है।
लेकिन आपकी आवाज की तो सारी दुनिया दीवानी है, उसका क्या? Anyway, so let's start with what is the context of Rotary Idol? Can you just say why Rotary Idol?
Yes, just before announcing the first contestant, I think Rotary Idol, in Rotary we are really about two things, service and fellowship. While we are involved in great service projects, bringing Rotarians together through peace and love and engaging them is one of the biggest responsibilities. And what better than music? That's the concept of Rotary Idol. Now inviting our first contestant, Sanjan, up on stage. Sanjan, can you please say your name of your song and the club that you belong to. Please give a big hand for Sanjan.
Good afternoon. My name is Sanjan Yen. I am come from Tumkur, Rotary Tumkur. And my song is from Kannada, Tappu Madadavaru Yaravare.
Sanjan. Wow, fantastic. Judges, can I have a quick comment from you?
Check, yeah. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Good afternoon to everybody. Sanjan, fantastic. What a voice you've got, man. How old are you?
Miss 14.
14. You're 14 years old.
Yeah.
ಇದು ಯಾರು ಹಾಡಿರೋದು ಈ ಹಾಡನ್ನ? Who's sung the
Ashwath.
original of this? Of
Ashwath.
course, right? So one of the biggest specialities in Ashwathji's voice
Yeah.
also is the way he projects his range and the way he throws his voice in the higher ranges, which is fantastic. You've done very, very well.
Thank
Very happy to hear a Kannada song.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank
Let's see
you.
what happens.
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, thank you. So now, let's quickly move on to the next contestant, Danyashri from Erode. Danyashri. Erode, Tamil Nadu. Yes.
Everybody, good afternoon. I am Danyashri from Erode, Tamil Nadu. I am representing Rotary Club of Erode Cosmos. So I am going to present a Tamil song from Jean's film. Pa pa ma pa ni pa ma ga ma pa sa ga sa ni pa ga sa ga ma pa ma pa ni pa ma ga ma pa sa ga sa ni pa ma ga sa ga ma tak 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 dim tak 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 dim tak 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 dim tak jum tak 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 dim tak 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 dim tak 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 dim tak jum. கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்ணோடு மணியானாயதனால் கண்ணை விட்டு பிரிவதில்லை நீ என்னை விட்டு பிரிவதில்லை takar 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 dim takar 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 dim takar 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 dim takar jum takar 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 dim takar 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 dim takar 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 dim takar jum. சல 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 ரெட்டை கிழவி தக 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 ரெட்டை கிழவி உண்டல்லோ தமிழில் உண்டல்லோ பிரித்து வைத்த நியாயம் இல்லை பிரித்து பார்த்தால் பொருளும் இல்லை ரெண்டல்லோ ரெண்டும் ஒன்றல்லோ தினக்கு தினக்கு தினதெல்லில்ல நான் அகர்தானி தொங்குதானி தினதோ தினக்கு தினக்கு தினதெல்லில்ல நான் அகர்தானி தொங்குதானி தினதோ இரவும் பகலும் வந்தாலும் நாள் என்பது ஒன்றல்லோ கால்கள் இரண்டு கொண்டாலும் பயணம் என்பது ஒன்றல்லோ இதயம் இரண்டு என்றாலும் காதல் என்பது ஒன்றல்ல கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை துங்குதானி துங்குதானி நீனோ ஒருவர் தூங்கும் தூக்கத்தில் இருவர் கனவுகள் காணுகிறோம் ஒருவர் வாங்கும் சுவாசத்தில் இருவர் இருதயம் வாழுகிறோம் தாவி கொள்ள மட்டும் தான் தனித்தனியே தேடுகின்றோம் கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா மம கக மம சசகக சசகக நினி சகக சமம சகக சபப சகக சனினி சக சச சானித பமக கமபனி சகாரித சானித பமகரி சகம கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா பபனி நிசாச கக மம பபனி நிசாச நிச கம பனித பமக ம பனித கரி கனித மகரி சனித கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா ரீ ரீ சனி சனி ரி ச சரி ரி நி நி சா சா கரி சனி ச கரி சனி த ப மா மா நி த ப ம கரி சனி ச க ச க ம க ம ப நி த ப ம ப நி ம ப நி ச கரி ச கரி சனி சா நி த ப ம க ம ப ம கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்ணோடு மணியானாயதனால் கண்ணை விட்டு பிரிவதில்லை நீ என்னை விட்டு பிரிவதில்லை தேங்க்யூ
Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Judges, any comments?
All right, I'm going to speak about your music, your voice, and your singing. I'm sorry I don't follow the language, but my co-jury member has said that you've sung very well as far as the diction is concerned. I enjoyed your singing. What very importantly struck me is that you sing in both your registers. You sing in the lower voice and in the head voice. Very smoothly you shift from one register to the other, which is not easy for everybody. So congratulations and all the very best. Keep singing.
Thank you so much. We've got contestants, as Zarir earlier pointed out, from places as far as Bhopal, Ujjain, Indore, Imphal, Bangalore, Chennai. So truly a big round of applause for the participants. And they've been through a long, arduous journey of coming here. They've been through the prelims, and really they were here till late 11 in the night, rehearsing, practicing. So it's been a lot of hard work put in by the participants. Our next participant is Udit Singh. Udit? Udit, please announce your name, the name of your club, and the name of your song.
Hello everyone, my name is Udit Singh. I'm from Rotary Club of IS. Hello sound. Hello. So now I'm going to sing Sonu Nigam song. He's my idol. I love him very much from core of my heart. And this song is one of my favorite. This song is Pray For Me. Actually, Abhi Mujh Mein Kahi from movie Agnipath.